Hey everyone, it's Camian Larson, Home Design and Renovation Coach here in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon, enjoying the sun. It's great. So I wanted to tell you about a couple that I met with. They are getting a house and it's never been updated since it was built in the 70s. And it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to redo a lot of things, but obviously that's a huge project and a lot of expense. So we're picking and choosing what parts are going to be most critical for them. So one of the things that can stay are the cabinets. They were custom made, they're very nice quality, so working around that. So flooring is changing, countertops, faucets, fixtures, appliances, and then the backsplashes is where they're going to get a lot of their own personality. And so we're not choosing things that are going to be the same throughout the house, though that's a different strategy. Some people really prefer to have one or two floorings throughout the whole house. Some people really like to allow each space to have its own character. So that's a question you can ask yourself. Do you like everything to be the same, all the cabinets, countertops, that kind of thing? How much variation do you like? So we're going to do that, and it's going to be really interesting to see how each different bathroom has its own character. Each of them are going to have a room that's going to be used for their hobbies, and those are definitely going to have a lot of their personality in it. And it's very exciting. It's a big project. It's a lot to keep track of, and so I'm giving her tips and techniques on how to keep track and in what order to make those choices so she doesn't get overwhelmed. Generally speaking, you always want to do the big stuff, the most expensive, the hardest to choose. Cabinets, flooring, countertops, those are some really big expenses. So you want to pick those things first and then start working on the other things like backsplash, paint colors, hardware, lighting. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you enjoy watching this story unfold. Have a great one.